Right, hey guys, it's Jack, and today we have another product review slash unboxing of the Kärcher K2 Compact. Let me get on with the unboxing and I'll see you when I'm in. Now we've unboxed it, let me have a quick look at the box. Right. As you can see, it's got a picture of the actual pressure washer. It does 20 meters squared an hour, 110 bar max, and 360 liters an hour maximum. And that's the same on the other side with the barcodes. Got a big picture there, and just got the description on the side of what it is. It's saying there, it's got Power K2, which is the smallest, suitable for bikes, garden furniture, the website and the QR code. And on this side, it has everything that comes in the box. So it has a little adapter thing there, two different style lances, the actual lance handle, and looks like a hose. So yeah, and that's the whole product really. Let me have a quick look. Got the instruction booklet here, which tells you how to use it, and what you can use it on. It's got a warranty booklet on the look of it. Right, the actual pressure washer itself doesn't have any buttons as such really. Just the on-off one here, fairly easy to use. It's got a power supply, which in my case is a UK plug, because I live in UK. And I've got various hooks and slots for the lance and to wrap the power cable around, like that. So this hose, this end, goes onto the pressure washer, and then obviously follow it round, and then the other end plugs straight into the lance. The trigger on the lance feels really nice and smooth, and I shall be back when I've attached it all. One bit I did forget to mention is it comes with a handle, which looks like it just slots right on the top. Just like that. And that's basically pretty obvious what it's for, just to carry it around easily. Right, that's the product assembled all together. And I've got the lance in its little holder on the side. Got it connected up to the front. Now, turn it round. Got the little hose adapter on the back. It just screws on. And quickly, before I show you a video of me using it, I shall show you how easy it is to attach these. Right, now you've seen all of that, I shall switch to a video of me actually using this thing. as you just saw, I just showed you a little video of me using the pressure washer. Overall, really enjoyed the use. Extremely lightweight, easy to carry around. Really like the smoothness of the trigger. It's just really easy to use. The two main things that I do like are the easily operated on and off switch and the really smooth moving trigger. Right, thank you guys for watching and hope you enjoyed, and look out for more videos to come. Thank you very much and see you later.